Hello, my all dear students and parents. I, Mr. Kapil Dave, welcomes to all of you in this Charvik Academia Institute. In this institute, we are going to start a new types of education system. It means that here we have to arrange one kind of perfect fusion of digital and traditional education system. Yes, my friends. Because we know that in this pandemic situation, there are several problems arise in this education field, and here is a perfect solution for you. And here one more thing is that there is two different kind of education system are available here. One is online education system and one is physical education system, and this is the perfect mixture, I must say that. So this is the perfect mixture of both. So, when you discuss with us about both kind of education, then I must say that this is the best platform for this. Okay? So, now let's discuss one simple topic related to mathematics. Because of that, mathematics is the prime subject in A group, and that's why several students think about JEE Main and JEE Advanced. So, let's see one important topic in mathematics, and the name of topic all of you are very well known about it, and that is trigonometry. So let's discuss one simple trigonometry equation, and that after we just think how to solve within a minute, because you know that in JEE section time is very important. So role related to time is very important, you know that, because we have to solve each and every question within a minute. So that's why let's see one basic MCQ related to trigonometric equation. An equation k cos x minus 3 sin x is equals to k plus 1 has a solution if k belongs to blank. Now if you know about trigonometry very well, then this is the value related question. It means you have to find what about the value of k. So if the equation is solvable, then what is the value of k is a question. If you want to solve it in a minute, then we have to think about the proper formula which can be used here. And let me give you one more trick. That is the trick box in mathematics. We apply trick box. See this trick box. This kind of trick box we may apply several times in mathematics. That is our method. Okay, what is trick box here? Remember that range of the function, range of a cos x plus b sin x, range of a cos x plus b sin x is minus under root a square plus b square to plus under root a square plus b square. So this trick is applicable in this example also. See that you can compare this equation with a cos x plus b sin x. So that's why here we may write k plus 1 is belongs to the range of this function a cos x plus b sin x. So let me write this k plus 1 belongs to. So here k plus 1, this value belongs to minus under root a square plus b square. It means k square plus minus 3 square. See, just write in short, and k square plus minus 3 whole square. K square minus and k square plus. Okay, so minus and plus. So one time minus, sorry, here is plus. So what is this finally? I must say that k plus 1 belongs to, this is minus under root k square plus 9 to under root k square plus 9. Okay, and finally the meaning of this result is what? Minus under root k square plus 9 here is less than or equal to k plus 1, and less than or equal to under root k square plus 9. So finally meaning is this value lies between minus under root a square plus b square to plus under root a square plus b square. But our interest is to find the value of k. So that's why I applying square on both sides. Now in our mind that is fixed that square of any real number is greater or equal than 0. So when I squaring, then no need to write this negative. Now directly I say that this square must be more than 0. So squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides. What we get? We must say that this k plus 1 whole square is less than or equal to k square plus 9. Because when we squaring here, what happened? K plus 1 square less than or equal to k square plus 9. And obviously a value is more than 0. Now let's solve it. So k square plus 2k plus 1 is less than or equal to k square plus 9. And as we know, k square cancel. So finally 2k is less than or equal to 9 minus 1. So 2k is less than or equal to 8. And finally the meaning is what? K is less than or equal to 4. So value of k is less than or equal to 4. And I hope you understand that as per this number line, 4 is here and value of k is less than or equal to 4. So this is the set of whole real number which is less than or equal to 4. Here is minus infinite. So this is the trick that will apply here. So what we say, it means k belongs to minus infinite to 4. So this kind of several tricky thing we have. And we may apply this all the tricky thing in such kind of JEE questions. Okay, my dear. And remember that not in only trigonometry, in each and every chapter, we have to learn by using this kind of tricky works or several other method, which make easy relevant question. Okay, my dear friends. So here this is the answer of that activity. And also I want to suggest you that if you want to learn with using this kind of traditional method and this kind of digital method, then just take a visit in this Charvik Academia. Thank you very much.
Dear students, hope you all like the demo lecture on one of the most important concepts of this subject. But don't be sad, this is not where we have finished. This was just a drop from the ocean of Charvik Academia. Explore this ocean with our team of experts and be the master of your subjects, right students? Let's have an insight into what Charvik Academia has to offer. Number one, quality education. Whether it's traditional or digital, by our highly experienced faculties is delivered very well. Number two, exclusive live doubt solving sessions is there also. Periodic test series for strong concept foundation. From 6 to 10th, we have also a foundation batch where you build up your strong foundation for 11 and 12, right? You might ask, what is the new offering from your side, right? So here is where our uniqueness comes into play. You will get the HD video recording of all the lectures, doubt solving session, whether it's conducted online or offline during your academic year. Listen students carefully, whether it's conducted online or offline during your academic year. Throughout your academic year, all the lectures, video recorded lectures available in your account on our sites, right? And second most important point is, I explain you. Student, as you know, the assessment is most important in education, for which we have an exclusive test conducting system with in-depth analysis. Whether your exam is online or pen paper based. Check my words. Whether your exam is online or a pen paper based, we have unique in-depth analysis system for both this exam system. With this, students, we are offering free 7 days demo lecture whether you join us online or offline. So hurry up, limited batches are available. The early birds gets the worm, right student? So please join Charvik Academia as soon as possible for your better future and better education. Thank you.